welcome back to another Easter special. Today we are making an Easter cocktail. It's super easy to make and it is super yummy. It is definitely Easter themed and it's sweet and chocolatey. So if you want to see me make this cocktail, stay tuned. But first off, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow me on socials, and let's get to cocktailing. So this is the ingredients you will need. You will need mini eggs to rim the glass, dairy milk or any chocolate eggs of your choice, milk, vodka, Baileys and Nutella. So let's get making this cocktail. First off, using the Nutella, you need to rim the glass. All you need to do this is, with a knife, spread evenly the Nutella around the top of the glass. You then want to put a handful of mini eggs into a Ziploc bag and zip it up. You can now go ahead and crush the mini eggs using a knife or a rolling pin. Once they are evenly crushed, you can transfer them onto a plate. You can now turn your martini glass upside down onto the mini eggs for them to stick to the rim of your glass, making it all pretty. Once this is even, you're good to go. Into a blender, you want to pour around 2 shots of Baileys Irish cream. You then want to add 2 tablespoons of Nutella. You then want to add 2 shots of vodka. You can use any vodka of your choice. I have opted for vanilla vodka. Then you want to add 100 ml of almond milk to the blender. Lastly, you want to add 2 mini chocolate eggs to the blender. You can now go ahead and combine all the ingredients in the blender and blend it all up. Once the mixture is blended and is a smooth consistency, you can then distribute it into your martini glasses evenly. There's your cocktail done. So happy drinking. This is my favourite cocktail of the season. If you're a chocolate lover like me, this literally tastes so nice. And the almond milk, because it's got almonds in it, it just makes it like nutty. Oh, it's so yummy. This is by far my favourite cocktail I've made so far. And yeah, love it. Let me know in the comments below if you've made this cocktail. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did. I'm now going to go and get a little bit tipsy off this cocktail, and I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.